Ooh, don't get crazy, Alicia. Don't get crazy. I was about to get crazy.
I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day. I slay, I slay, I slay.
My new concealers by Maybelline. I got the Master Concealers, and this one is in medium deep, and I also got one in medium. So I'm gonna conceal with this one and then highlight with this one. I'm hungry, y'all. I might have to stop this video and go eat. I've been fasting, so I'm starving. So I think I'm gonna like stop here and then come back while I'm in a better mood after I eat. Now that we have our eyes done, I did go ahead and throw on my lashes. So now I'm gonna conceal under my eyes. And let me wet my beauty blender. I forgot to wet it in the bathroom, so I'm gonna be ghetto and take some bottled water and go over this trash can, because I do not feel like getting up. So now that my beauty blender is wet, we're gonna conceal first and then we're gonna highlight. Well, I'm doing really both at the same time. And I don't really know about this color. It's a little peach. Yeah. No. Not a good color. I thought it was, I should have got deep. And I know medium is real yellow. So, oh yeah, medium is hella yellow. So, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out, this is Fawn. I'm gonna use Fawn by LA Girl to kind of like fix this. What's going on here? There we go. See that? That's a little orangey, but I feel like I got too much on my face now. So we're gonna see how this turns out. It's definitely too much of it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Redo. I'm just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer HD in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna hit that under my eyes. See, I'm more golden. I got a golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat that in. I'm gonna take this color and highlight instead of, this is the medium deep. Beautiful highlight. Right where your woods went. Face. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and highlight, because we don't need to contour because we still got our natural contour happening. We're gonna highlight and mist ourselves down and do a lip. So I'm gonna take my Master Strobing Liquid by Maybelline in the color 300, which is deep gold, and then we're gonna take our big brush and we're gonna take Wet n Wild's highlight gold bar, and we're gonna put that on top. Now we're going to set our face. So this is what it looks like when you conceal. It just make you just look like but still natural. So you don't look cakey. Alright, SlayBae, so this is the finished look with my hair and my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is like my second makeup video, or maybe like my third. Let me know if you guys like them. I will continue to do them, but if you guys don't want me to, I won't. Like, I won't force content upon you. But I just thought I was gonna try out my new palettes anyway, so I might as well make a video. And if you guys want to know about this hair is from Icy Hair, from AliExpress, and that will be coming up next after this one or before this one. I really don't know which order I'm gonna put it in, but it will be out. So make sure you guys check that out, and if it's already out, I'll leave it somewhere over here. And make sure you guys subscribe, you thumbs up, and I see my new SlayBaes. Welcome to the family. We're definitely like here on this page. We come to slay. We come to shut shit down. You know what I'm saying? We slaying at all things. We're slaying at life, and just welcome to the Slay family. And I just appreciate you guys so much. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.